How I manage my time effectively. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I manage my time effectively. As someone who juggles a lot of responsibilities, I know how important it is to have good time management skills. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the tips and techniques I use to manage my time effectively. Number 1, prioritize. The first step in managing your time effectively is to prioritize your tasks. This means figuring out which tasks are most important and need to be done first. One way to do this is to create a to-do list and then prioritize each task based on its importance. Number 2, set goals. Another important step is to set clear goals for yourself. This means figuring out what you want to accomplish and then setting a deadline for yourself. When you have a clear goal and a deadline, you're more likely to stay on track and accomplish what you set out to do. Number 3, use a planner. Using a planner is a great way to keep track of your tasks and deadlines. Make sure to write down all of your tasks and deadlines in your planner, and review it regularly to stay on track. Number 4, avoid procrastination. Procrastination is the enemy of good time management. To avoid procrastination, try to break large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. This will make it easier to get started, and you'll be more likely to finish the task on time. Number 5, minimize distractions. Distractions can be a major time waster, so it's important to minimize them as much as possible. This means turning off your phone, closing your email, and avoiding social media when you're trying to work. Number 6, take breaks. It's important to take breaks when you're working to avoid burnout. Make sure to take short breaks every hour or so to recharge and refresh your mind. Number 7, be flexible. Sometimes, unexpected things come up that can throw off your schedule. It's important to be flexible and adjust your schedule accordingly. This means being able to adapt to changes and make adjustments as needed. Number 8, learn to say no. One of the biggest challenges of time management is learning to say no. It's important to be honest with yourself and others about what you can and can't do. Saying no can be difficult, but it's essential to avoid taking on too much and becoming overwhelmed. Number 9, focus on results. Finally, it's important to focus on results rather than just staying busy. Make sure to prioritize the tasks that will have the biggest impact on your goals, and don't get too caught up in busy work. By following these tips and techniques, you can manage your time effectively and achieve your goals. Remember, time management is a skill that takes practice and patience, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't come easily at first. Just keep at it, and soon you'll be a time management pro. That's all for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips for managing your time effectively, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.